Okay. A very good morning, my dear students. This is time to start our class, and of course, it's a time to start our class. I have already shared the screen, and today we are going to check. We are going to learn what about the program that we are taking with the help of the computer. Of course, this program is uh, uh, reinforce your knowledge, those knowledge which we have a little bit flexibility problems due to the time of the COVID. We are not doing everything very well because of the difficulties problems are here in our country too. And of course, it's a time to start now our program. And our program that we will start right now when that already when we press Windows R. I would like to remember you, when we press Windows R button, then the run taskbar menu will automatically open. Just we can write over here, over there. Just we can write over there. What is the formal name of the that program that we need to remember? Before starting, I would like to tell you one more time. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, etc. It's all are very common software that software are using everywhere in this world. And this is very important program for every users of the computer, those who are using the computer for the support of their work. Okay, so we can write over here, we can write here Excel. This is the name of that program. We are going to start now when you press OK, of course the program is open here. The program is open here. Okay, the program is open here. Okay, in this program we can do many more work, but let me describe what is the functionality of this program, what types of related work we can do, we can solve, how many types of problems we can deal in this program. Everything is required by us for the regarding base of your instructions that we are sharing here. Okay, so before starting, I would like to tell you this program is launched in 2010. That's because this is sorry 2007. And for your kind information, this is the program of Office package, and every Office packages has different types of edition. Edition means that you know already every edition has changed a little bit. Many more things and functionality will also be changed over there. So in this program we are studying here right now Windows 2010. And in Windows 2010, it means the Office 2010 or 7, 2016, 14, 2012, 2018, it's all are available. Which one you choose like most, that you can choose by yourself as per the available software. Okay. So in this program, I would like to tell you basically what is called Microsoft Excel. What is called Microsoft Excel? Who is writing over there? Please don't do. Thank you. Okay. So what is called Microsoft Excel? Let me describe. My dear students, this program is looks like a table. There is too much combination of row and column that you are visiting in your screen. Every there is already written a serial number 1 2 3 to many more. How many we'll check right now? And another more one is there is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G is all are the combination of the table, just like a table. But why this program is looks like a table? That we need to discuss first. Let me discuss about the Microsoft Excel. For your kind information, I would like to tell you, my dear student, Microsoft Excel is a database program, or you can say Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software where we can calculate all the mathematical, financial, logical, text, and many more functions very easily. Without any problems, we can easily solve our problems basically who is related to the mathematics. It means that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, how computer will calculate, how the calculator will calculate the results, everything is the base of this program, so we can easily find out. It has been screening over there, and I would like to remember you, we need to check first how many number of row and column are here, and what is called number of row and column, we need to discuss. Let me tell you, this is the identification, this is the identification of the sorry, okay, uh, this one, the selected list is known as row. It means there is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at continue. How many number of row? How can we check? By pressing control. Of course, in our keyboard there is the control, and the end there is the control down arrow. When you press control down arrow, it has been already screening in your screen also. There is the 10,48,576 number of row are available in a sheet. If you press control up arrow, then again we can reverse the in the initial stage. And number of column, it means this is the number of column, that you know, this is the number of column, and we can deserve like this, we can check like this. This is the, sorry, okay, this one, this is called column, and this one is called row. Row, this is called row, okay, this is called row, and this one called the selected list, okay. Wait, I have to check. Okay, so it has been written here, this is called row, and this one is called row and column. Okay, combination of row and columns, there is the combination of row and columns. How many number of column we can say? By pressing control right arrow, we can press here, we can press here, and we can check also how many number of row or columns are available. You just move from there, just because you can watch XFD. XFD is the last number of columns are available in this program. Okay, so when you press again control left arrow, then sorry, control left arrow, then computer will reverse the same stage when we are starting. Okay, so in this program I would like,
So
yes,
we can read from book or not?
we can read from book, but this is the practical one. You better to check. Then after you will start our from related chapter also. In our book also the same thing is here. Okay, so you can read your books also. It has been written the same thing. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, let me
Which book? New or old?
New. This is the Times publication. That list I have already shared you. Okay, that list I have already shared you. That list is a Times publication book. You can purchase from the market if there is available. If not, you can share with your friend, those who are in your contact. It's a better one. Okay. So, my dear student, without any trouble, we can solve many types of problem. But what type of function we can calculate? I have already tell you Microsoft Excel is a database program. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software where we can calculate different types of mathematical problems. We can solve different types of logical problems, different types of text and many more functions are available. Basically, there are five types of functions we can do: mathematical function, statistical function, financial function, logical function, and text function. Okay, so we can utilize before doing something. We must do a little bit more thing here. We have how many paper here? Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. There is three types of three paper are here: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. We can add another paper also by clicking here. Sheet 4, we can add one more time. Next one, many more paper we can add here as per your demand. And for your kind information, my dear student, this program can easily help us to enter the data of the voter list, different types of long profile, different types of long table, which we cannot adjust in other program. But in this program, we can easily adjust many more table in a small size in a paper. Okay, so by the there is the system. How can we utilize right now? When you press here, there is the, if you can write here, if we can write here, then sorry, we can utilize the related thing like, okay, we can change the name of the sheet also by right. When we press the right mouse here, it has different types of tab color. You can choose different types of color. We can choose right here, right mouse. Again, we can utilize the different types of color as per your choice, as per your uh, demand, that you can say. We can rename also by clicking right mouse here. Here is the
Yes,
rename. We can write here SALARY, salary sheet. Okay, we can
sir.
rename another result sheet, RESE, result of, sorry, result of 2077, just like that. Okay, now we can easily rename the sheet. And I would like to tell you, my dear student, this program is very important for every users, those who are using the computer. Okay, so this program basically those professional are using uh, for different types of purposes. And by the help of this program, we can calculate many more things. Just without wasting of our time, I would like to tell you one more time. We can calculate the mathematical problems. In the mathematical problems, we can calculate uh, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, everything I will check right now. So no need to worry about. And one more thing, I would like to tell you one more thing. In this program, uh, don't disturb, please. We can utilize the different types of setting. But before starting, I would like to tell you, hey, who is screening over there? Don't
Yes,
do,
sir.
don't do, please. I'm watching.
Somebody.
Don't do,
फोटो का देखा हुई थी
don't do, please. Okay, so we can. I would like to tell you. Please don't disturb. Thank you. Okay. So this is the this program we are using for our good purpose. So don't disturb us. Okay. Thank you. In this program, I have already tell you Microsoft. I think we need to do little bit work here. Thank you all. Okay, so my dear student, Microsoft Excel. I have already tell you the formal name is Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft is the name of the company who launched the program Excel, and that's because there are different types of editions, there are different types of upgrade versions are available that we can utilize. And why the Microsoft Excel is known as a spreadsheet software? For your kind information, I would like to tell you, my dear friend, Microsoft Excel is also the name of this program, and the another name is the Microsoft Spreadsheet software. A spreadsheet software, it means also the Microsoft Excel program. Okay, so no need to confusion here. Microsoft Excel and the Microsoft spreadsheet software is the same one. Don't do any confusion. Okay, so in this program, why it is called Microsoft spreadsheet software? When we select anything here, when we select, wait, okay, when we select here like that, when we select, okay, when we select here, if we put any types of value, for example, the value is 5. If, if we press if we press Control Enter, it will spread everywhere automatically. This is the value. If you write here the name, okay, if you write here the name, then of course the same process is spread everywhere in the selected section automatically. And this is very logical thing that we can apply for the different types of work. So what type of functions we can do first? Let's start. How can we do the mathematical mathematical function? In the mathematical function, we can do for example, there is the 5, okay, 45, 64, 78, 64, etc. Another more 45, and another column we can write here another value that you can write as per the needs. We can write the value automatically, or we can write here. Okay, then in mathematical function, sorry, in mathematical function we can calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But how can we utilize this formula? This is very logical thing that you can apply in your computer also. In the basic rule that in mathematics there is rule, every mathematics solution will start with the starting of a type of sign and symbols. That symbol known is equal to. This is time. This is the uh, um, starting phase of every calculation. So when we press is equal to, and what are what we are going to do right now? We are going to calculate plus, minus, divide, multiply. So this value and this value, you can identify where is the where is the location of this value and another value. We can identify here. This is the column A and column, and this is the row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 continue. It's a number of row. A B C D E F G H I, it's all are the column. Okay, so you can utilize here A 4. A4. It means computer will automatically indicate A4, the value 50 is there. And what type of symbol you want to add? It means what type of function? Mathematical function related to the plus. Okay, you can press plus here. Then another value is, you can just click
B4.
over there. If you press here, then computer will automatically calculate the final results. And one more time, my dear student, if we select, okay, if we select this value, computer will also show the value in the sum value. Uh, my dear student, please look at your screen. Look at your screen very clearly. I'm moving the cursor in the related sector. Sum 95. So it's all are related to the Psalm 95 count 2. What is called count 2? There is the two value are added and average 47.5. So about the related function we will do. Before starting, I would like to tell you uh, why this program is called a spreadsheet software. Because when we calculate any types of function, any types of related formula, when we apply, it will copy the same formula to other related value also. How? Let me show you. Press shift button and move downside. Okay. Click your left mouse and move downside. It will automatically edit the same logical things, and the value is different. See, 45 and 34 is when we do the sum, then the value is 79, another 162, 143. This is the different one. This is known as the copying formula. Okay, this is known as copying formula. Okay, so when we write here 45 and another value is 23, what is the value? Computer will automatically edit here. One more time. When you write here 1, 2, 3 value, if we select the 3 value, if we select the 3 value, when we move downside by clicking left mouse, by holding left mouse, then computer will revise the related numbers automatically. If there is the text like Sunday, okay, if there is the text like Sunday, when we do the same activity, it will revise the number of given uh, uh, date, sorry, number of given day. Okay. Another, for example, January. Okay. When you press when we write January, if we do the same copying formula, it means when we press here left mouse and move downside, then computer will automatically spread everywhere: February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Again, it will start January, February. These all are the basic terms and rules that we need to discuss. Then after we'll do another more work. Okay. So in the mathematical function, there is the addition. If you want to do another more thing, for example, if you want to do divide, multiply, for example, 86 and 4, it has been added, but you don't want to add. You can press is equal to. If you want to do multiply this value, multiply this value, multiply this value. When you press, computer will calculate the computer will calculate the another more logical things. For example, 12 fives are okay. 12 fives are how many? 60. It may
60.
okay. So 18 nines are how many? The value it will calculate automatically. 89 is 162. Okay, one more time. 16 sevens, it will calculate automatically. So it's all are the basic thing of mathematical function. Plus, minus, divide. In the divide section, you can also utilize in the divide section. Okay, 45, that the 45 value, another one is 15. Okay, is equal to 45 divided by okay, 45, sorry, this is the percentage. Okay, 45 divided by 15, or you can utilize the same one. Okay, you can utilize the copying formula over there. Copying formula again. When you press, if you write here, okay, 69 divided by 32, it will automatically calculate the result. About the percentage, how can you calculate the percentage? For example, 5,000, sorry, 50,000, 10, 50,000 of 10%. How many value are available? We can utilize is equal to 50,000 into 50,000, sorry, 50,000 into uh, the number of given percentage and divided by 100. If you press here, if you press here, then computer will calculate the percentage. 50,000, 10%, how many? 5,000. Okay, never mind. When we do the copying formula by holding the left mouse and move downside, sorry. Okay, I'm asking now, what is the this value 5%? Then computer will calculate 3999.95. If you ask what is the 5,000 of 4%, computer will give the result 200, etc. It's all are the given requirement and basic things that we need to do first. Then after, we have many more work in this program. We can do many more things, like we can prepare our salary sheet of our organization, of our office, all the details of our all the details of our stock items we can write here. We can write all the list of our every student name in the program. This, in this program we can also publish the results of SEE. We can publish many more things. So it's all are the basic requirement that we need to discuss. Okay, one more time. After the selection, we, if we press here, uh, if we press here by holding the left mouse and move to the direction, it will automatically, when you press delete, then
Sound is coming.
sound is not coming.
Coming.
Hey, विजय बेटा, विजय बेटा, साउंड कम करो बेटा. Okay. So we can delete here directly. There is nothing problem. You can easily solve. And my dear student, this is the very basic things that you can do. Another, we have only 1 and 30 minutes. 1 and 30. It means 1 minute 30 seconds. So within 1 minute 30 seconds, we can do many more things here. Before starting, we can start any types of related text. Text we can write here. Number we can write here. Okay, this is the text.
The
And
sound is
sorry, is there any problem? Please tell me. Okay, nothing problem. It's okay. Okay, so we can utilize another more thing. We have 1 minute only. Okay, in this program we can
Yes,
select.
sir.
Yes, please tell me, Swan. We can select the program like this. Okay, very clearly. Then after that, we can utilize the different types of color over there. Okay, different types of related border here very easily. And in this program, when we write here, for example, SALARY, salary sheet. Okay, when you write, we can use the size of the related column also. We can utilize